Today, we're diving deep into the murky world of tech reviews. And trust me, things are about to get real shady. We all know the tech review scene can be a bit of a roller coaster, right? But it looks like Google just took things to a whole new level with their Pixel 9 launch, and it's a bigger deal than you might think. Google has this program called Team Pixel. Basically, they send out early review units of their Pixel phones to YouTubers, Instagrammers, and other influencers. Sounds like a sweet deal, right? Well, not this year. Google dropped a bombshell on these reviewers. They're not allowed to show any competing devices alongside the Pixel 9 or even say anything positive about the competition. It's like a play by our rules or get out situation. And if you break the rules, you could be kicked out of the program, losing out on future free phones. It gets even crazier. Mervos of the Boss, a big name tech reviewer, didn't even get a Pixel 9 review unit initially. Rumor has it it's because he was critical of the Pixel 8 lineup last year. Can you believe that? He had to call out Google on Twitter before they finally sent him a phone. Now, let's clear something up. There are two types of review programs. The Team Pixel program, which is run by a third-party agency, and the regular review program, handled directly by Google. Big-name reviewers like MKBHD and tech giants like The Verge weren't forced to sign any shady agreements. It's the smaller reviewers in Team Pixel who are getting the short end of the stick. Some people are trying to defend Google, saying it's all the PR agency's fault. But let's be real, agencies don't just make up rules out of thin air. They work for Google. Everything goes through legal approval. So this is definitely Google's mess to clean up. This isn't just about Google and its Pixel phones. It's a bigger issue affecting the entire tech review industry. If big companies can dictate what reviewers can and can't say, it creates a dangerous precedent. Imagine a world where every tech review is a glorified commercial. It's like the movie industry all over again. Critics used to be able to give honest, unbiased opinions. Now studios often try to control the narrative. We're starting to see the same thing happen in tech. You might be wondering, why should I care about this? I just want to know which phone to buy. Well, this matters because it directly impacts the information you're getting. If reviewers are afraid to criticize a product, how can you trust their recommendations? You deserve to know the good, the bad, and the ugly about a product, not just a polished, one-sided view. This whole situation undermines the trust between consumers and reviewers. Social media has amplified this issue. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram are filled with sponsored content and influencers who are incentivized to promote certain products. It's becoming increasingly difficult to separate genuine recommendations from paid endorsements. We need to be more critical consumers. Don't just blindly trust what you see online. Do your own research, compare multiple sources, and look for reviews from independent sources. It's up to us to demand better from tech companies and reviewers. We need to support creators who are honest and transparent. We need to call out companies that try to manipulate the narrative. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's start a conversation about the importance of unbiased tech reviews. Together, we can create a more informed and empowered tech community. All right, that's it for today. Let me know your thoughts on this whole mess in the comments below. And remember, stay critical and do your own research before buying any tech product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you with the next one. Peace out.